Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Xiaomi's Android One smartphone, the Mi A1, has started receiving a new update. It weighs around 1.2 GB and it bumps the Android version of the device to 8.1 ARIA, which brings a slew of improvements over 8.0 ARIA, such as the ability to view the battery level of connected Bluetooth devices, notification rate limiting, etc. Besides Android 8.1, the update also includes June's security patch along with other performance improvements. The rollout seems to be happening globally. In addition to our unit here in India, some users in the Philippines have also reported about getting the OTA update. Mi A1 update.